That method is called Milne-Thomson method. The P will Milne-Thomson. So, Milne-Thomson method. That is construction of an analytic function. Okay. Analytic function. What is meant by construction of an analytic function? What is an analytic function first? Analytic function means W equal to f of z. W is the function of z, where W can be expressed as u plus iv. Then f of z can be expressed as x plus iu, where u is the function of x comma y and v is the function of x comma y. Then if it is satisfies that ux equal to vy and uy equal to minus vx, then the function f of z is called analytic function. What is the equation name of this previous step? CR equation. It is a necessary condition is the function to be analytic. See, construction of an analytic function is in case only the real part of the analytic function u is given, how to find f of z. In case only v is given, how to find f of z. Even if you are given u, how to find that f of z? From f of z, how can you find v, the harmonic conjugate v? In case v is given, how to find f of z? From that f of z, how can you find the harmonic conjugate u? So this concept we will discuss in this class. First, case 1. In case u is given, only real part is given. So to find f of z when u is given, that means only the real part is given. What is f dash of z? See, f of z is u plus iv. Already I told how to find that f dash of z. That is, either you have to differentiate with respect to x or with respect to y. If you are differentiate with respect to x, you will get that ux plus I vx. As per Cauchy-Riemann equation, already it has given that function f of z is analytic. By the Cauchy-Riemann equation, vx equal to minus uy. If you are substituting here, you will get that f dash of z equal to ux. What is vx? Vx is minus uy, minus I into uy. This is equation number 1. The next step is you have to substitute x equal to z and y equal to 0 in the above equation. Substituting x equal to z and y equal to 0 in the above equation. See, for example, u of x comma y is given. U of x comma y is given. You can take differentiate with respect to x. If you are differentiate with respect to x, you will get that dou by dou x of u of x comma y. If you are substituting that x equal to z and y equal to 0 here, you will get that dou by dou x of z comma 0. Is it not? So we can write that as the one more function phi 1 of z comma 0, which is equation number 2. In case if you are differentiate with respect to y of that u of x comma v, you will get that differentiate u with respect to y, you will get dou by dou y of u of x comma y. And then you can substitute z comma 0, you will get that dou by dou y of u of z comma 0. We can take it that as phi 2 of z comma 0. So for constructing the analytic function f of z, if u of x comma y is given, first you have to differentiate with respect to x, then you have to differentiate with respect to y, then you have to substitute x equal to z and y equal to 0 in that f dash of z. So substituting 2 and 3 in 1, what do you get? If you are substituting 2 and 3 in 1, you will get that f dash of z equal to phi 1 of z comma 0 minus I into phi 2 of z comma 0. So f dash of z is there, then we have to find f of z. That means integrate with respect to z. Integrate with respect to z, we get f of z equal to integration of phi 1 of z comma 0 minus I integration of phi 2 of z comma 0 plus some constant c. Sorry, here dz should come now. Dz. That is case 1. Through this we can find that f of z. What is case 2? Case 2 is to find f of z when v is given. You have to ask the doubt in middle, or you have to interact with me, then only that class is so interesting. So to find out that f of z when v is given, what is v here? That is the imaginary part. Only the imaginary part is given. Only the imaginary part is given. Then what is f of z? F of z equal to u plus iv. Once again differentiate with respect to x. F dash of z equal to ux plus ivx. Is it not? So by the CR equation, what is the CR equation? Ux equal to Vy, Uy equal to minus Vx. So what you have done last case 1, in the case 1 you are converting V into U. Since only real part is given, we can find Ux and Uy. Here the imaginary part is given. Imaginary part v is given, so you have to convert that u into y. Sorry, u into v. How can you convert? That means ux equal to vy is it the first one. So substituting that ux equal to vy here, we will get that f dash of z equal to, what is f dash of z? Vy plus ivx, vy plus ivx. So we can write that dou v by dou y, vy means dou v by dou y of x comma y can be written as pi 1 of z comma 0. That means you have to substitute x equal to z and y equal to 0. So you will get the dou v by dou y of x comma y equal to pi 1 of z comma 0. So what is the substitution this happen? Why? Because we are substituting that x equal to z and y equal to 0, because we need to find that f dash of z. To find that f dash of z, everything should be in the function of z, then only we can integrate easily, we can get the answer for this. Dou v by dou x, similarly dou v by dou x comma y can be written as pi 2 of z comma 0. So what is f dash of z? Substituting vy and vx here, you will get that pi 1 of z comma 0 plus I into pi 2 of z comma 0. So integrating on both sides, we will get what is f of z? F of z equal to integral over pi 1 of z comma 0 dz plus I into integral over pi 2 of z comma 0 dz plus some constants. That is called then constructing of an analytic function by using that Milne-Thomson method. Okay, once we are finding that f of z constructing after constructing the analytic function, what is the method to find the harmonic conjugate in the Milne-Thomson method? Method to find harmonic conjugate by using the Milne-Thomson method. Already we know that f of z is an analytic function. So let f of z equal to u plus iv be an analytic function. In case if the real part u is known or u is given, so we have to find v. To find v, by the total differentiation or chain rule, total differential formula, dv equal to dou v by dou x into dx, dou v by dou y into dy, into dy. but ux equal to vy and uy equal to minus vx. Okay. So substituting, because already we know that u value, because you know the u value. From the u value we can find that ux and uy. So substituting everything, that means converting everything into terms of u. So what is dou v by dou x? Dou v by dou x is minus dou u by dou y dx plus dou v by dou y. Dou v by dou y by CR equation. So ux equal to vy, is it? Not vx, vy. So vy can be written as ux. That is dou u by dou x dy. So if you are integrating this, integrating both sides, we can obtain v. V can be obtained. Similarly, only v is given. Using the same procedure, we can find u. If only v is given, we can obtain u. So for example, one simple example we can do here. Show that u equal to x cube minus 3xy square plus 3x square. U equal to x cube minus 3xy square plus 3x square minus 3y square is harmonic. That is the first question. Second question is find f of z. Also, third question is find harmonic conjugate. This is so important question. Many times the same question repeated. Because using the Milne-Thomson method, the constructing of an analytic function is very important. How can we solve this? Step by step we can do that. Write the solution for this. What is given here? U equal to x cube minus 3xy square plus 3x square minus 3y square. Is it not? So what is dou e by dou x? Dou e by dou x is 3x square minus 3y square plus 6x. Dou square u by dou x square. Dou square u by dou x square is 6x plus 6. Similarly, what is dou u by dou y? Dou u by dou y is, what is dou u by dou y? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is dou u by dou y here? Minus 6xy minus 6y. So dou square u by dou y square equal to minus 6x minus 6. Therefore dou square u by dou x square, what is dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equal to 6x plus 6 minus 6x minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore u is harmonic. So the answer for the first subdivision is over. Second one is you have to construct the analytic function f of z. For that second one, since the real part u is given, what is given? Since the real part u is given by the Milne-Thomson method. What is the Milne-Thomson method? By Milne-Thomson method, f dash of z. What is f dash of z? F dash of z equal to
ux minus iuy.
pi u.
Uy.
Is it not? So what is ux here? Ux is 3x square minus 3y square plus 6x. So what is uy here? Uy is minus 6xy minus 6y. Is it not? So what is the next step in that ux and uy? In ux and uy, substituting x equal to z and y equal to 0. So ux will become pi 1 of z comma 0. So what is pi 1 of z comma 0? 3z square plus 6z. That means y equal to 0. And then uy equal to pi 2 of z comma 0. Or directly you can substitute that x equal to z, y equal to 0. That's all. So that is equal to 0. So f dash of z equal to integral over pi 1 of z comma 0 dz minus I into integral over pi 2 of z comma 0 dz plus some constant c. That is the formula. But that second one is 0, leave it. The first one is 3z square, sorry, f dash of z now, f of z only integration. So f of z equal to integral over 3z square plus 6z into dz. Integrating this,
Z cube plus 3z.
f of z equal to 3z cube by 3 z cube plus 3z square plus some constant c. To find the harmonic conjugate, that is the second one. So we are constructing the analytic function. Only u is given. First we are proving it is a harmonic. Then we are finding that the analytic function. Third one, you have to construct the, sorry, you have to find the harmonic conjugate. So to find harmonic conjugate, you will get that z equal to x plus iy. We know that. So what is f of z? f of z equal to z cube. Z cube is x plus iy whole cube plus 3 into x plus iy whole square plus constant. The constant is a complex constant c1 plus I c2. So expanding this, what is f of z? U plus iv equal to x cube minus iy cube plus I into 3 x square y minus 3 xy square, that is one expansion, plus 3 into x square minus y square plus I into 2xy c1 plus I c2. Okay, so what is v? V means only the imaginary part. Okay, take all the imaginary part from here. First imaginary part, first imaginary part, second imaginary part, third imaginary part. So write all the imaginary part separately. We will get that. What do you get? Minus y cube plus 3 x square y plus 6 xy plus the constant also is there na, c2. So this is the procedure to find that the analytic function, and then to prove it is a harmonic function, and then finding the harmonic conjugate. Okay, any doubt is there? If you are having any doubt, please ask me. Nearly 2 hours I am handling from 8 o'clock. So if any doubt is there, to ask the doubt. Otherwise, we can move for the next class. Next class, we will discuss few more examples for constructing the analytic function by using Wiley-Thompson method.